Have you ever wondered how the greatest basketball player of all time, Michael Jordan, became who he is today, despite early setbacks in his career? Before we jump into today's topic, let me share a fascinating story about this man who truly revolutionized the world of basketball. Jordan's story is a classic tale of transformation and excellence. As a sophomore in high school, Jordan didn't make it into his school's basketball team. He was deemed too short, and that experience left him devastated. However, instead of accepting defeat, he turned it into a driving force that propelled him to practice harder, demonstrating sheer commitment to improving himself. Despite the early setback, Jordan's dedication led him to become a basketball superstar, earning 6 NBA championships and 5 MVP awards, among countless other accolades. His story teaches us a vital lesson about not seeking perfection, but instead striving for excellence. This brings us to our topic for today, personal transformation, and how we can spark it in our own lives by moving away from the pursuit of perfection and towards the pursuit of excellence. And before we dive in, please do remember to subscribe to the channel for regular content to educate, inspire, and raise your awareness. Now, let me ask you a question. Do you ever feel like you're running on a hamster wheel, constantly trying to line up all your ducks in a row? Do you believe that unless everything is perfect, you can't possibly move on to the next phase of your life or find happiness? Well, that mindset is not just stressful, it's a catalyst for mental health challenges. It adds unnecessary pressure to our lives, both at home and at work. Unfortunately, society has conditioned us to associate success with perfection. From a very early age, we are taught that unless we ace every exam, attend top universities, secure high-paying jobs, and cultivate perfect relationships, we are somehow failing. This constant race for perfection has left many of us feeling empty and unfulfilled, despite our achievements. You might have a successful career, financial security, even a seemingly perfect family, and still find yourself asking, is this it? Is this all there is to life? Well, if you find yourself in the situation, I have a revolutionary idea for you. What if the key isn't chasing perfection, but striving for excellence instead? And what does striving for excellence mean to you? Share your thoughts in the comments. You see, perfection is goal-orientated, but excellence is about journey. It's not about ticking off items on a checklist. It's about understanding your why, your purpose. Here, I want to borrow a thought from Simon Sinek, the author of Start With Why. Sinek emphasizes that it is vital for us as individuals to understand our why, our purpose in life, as it will guide us how we want to live. It's about shaping the way you live your life. And when you understand your why, you're in a better position to realize what you want and how to get it. So how can we shift from chasing perfection to striving for excellence? That's what we're going to discuss today. I have 5 simple yet powerful strategies that helped me and numerous of my coaching clients embark on a journey of personal transformation. Number 1. Step out of your comfort zone. Life begins at the end of your comfort zone, says Neil Donald Walsh. Our daily routines, while comforting, can often become cages that limit our potential. Start challenging these patterns. Introduce a new habit or experience into your life and see the change that follows. Number 2, rekindle your ability to play. As we grow older, we often forget the importance of play. No, I'm not talking about sports. I mean the childlike playfulness that stirs creativity and imagination. So let's break away from our serious adult selves and invite a bit of fun and creativity into our lives. According to Carl Jung, the creation of something new is not accomplished by the intellect, but by the play instinct. Number 3, expand your network. As Jim Rohn says, you are the average of the 5 people you spend the most time with. Now, if you feel stuck or directionless, it might just be because you haven't met your game-changing 5 yet. So travel more, join new groups, attend events, and interact with diverse individuals. Number 4, never stop learning. Successful people are often lifelong learners. To grow and transform, you need to broaden your horizons and explore new knowledge avenues. Start with reading more, watching TED Talks, or listening to insightful podcasts. Napoleon Hill's statement, great achievement is usually born of great sacrifice. It's so true. Lastly, number 5, be present. This means to stop worrying about the future and start enjoying the now. Practice gratitude for what you have and what you have accomplished. Even in this digital age, you can use technology to your advantage to practice mindfulness. A famous saying, the present moment is filled with joy and happiness. If you are attentive, you will see it. And there you have it, the 5 transformative strategies that can guide you from the chase of perfection towards the pursuit of excellence. Remember, perfection is static, while excellence is dynamic. It grows, evolves, and moves with you. It's not about being flawless, it's about being constantly better. So as we wrap up, I want you to reflect on a simple yet profound thought. Your journey towards excellence starts today, right now. It starts with the decision to embrace who you are, where you are, and what you have. It begins with recognizing your worth and understanding that being good enough is in fact a powerful state of being. Think of it this way, just like a diamond, we are all formed under pressure, and our true value is revealed not in our perfection, but in our authenticity, in our ability to persist, and our will to shine amidst the darkness. We are shaped by our experiences, by our triumphs and failures alike, and that is what makes us truly unique, truly excellent. Embrace these 5 strategies and watch how they unlock new horizons for you, help you grow and make you more resilient, and fill your life with joy, fulfillment, and yes, excellence. And remember, just like Michael Jordan turned his early setback into a driving force, you too can redefine your setbacks as setups for your comeback. After all, life isn't about waiting for the storm to pass. It's about learning to dance in the rain. Remember, you're not here to be perfect, you're here to be you. And that's more than enough. And if you have found this video useful, I'd very much appreciate a like, and please do share it with others. Also, if you have any questions, drop them in the comments. So here's to embracing ourselves, our good enough, and our journey towards excellence. Until next time, take care and keep striving. I'm Dr. Rakish, Rana, the Clear Coach.